Tired of Edge looking like a digital junk drawer? Let's transform it into a clean, efficient browsing machine in under 2 minutes. First, let's ditch the clutter. Head over to the 3 dots menu in the top right corner. Click on Settings, and then select Appearance. Here, you can toggle on and off various toolbars. I recommend turning off the Favorites bar unless you actively use it. The less visible, the better. Scroll down to Customize toolbar and disable any icons you don't need. For example, I rarely use the Share button, so that's going bye-bye. Next up, Extensions. These little helpers can quickly bog down your browser. Type Edge Extensions in the address bar and hit Enter. Take a good, hard look. Disable or, better yet, uninstall any extensions you don't recognize or no longer use. Keep only the essentials. Finally, let's tweak the startup settings. Go back to Settings, and this time, select Start, Home, and New Tabs. Choose what Edge does when you launch it. Opt for a new tab page for a clean start, or set specific pages if you prefer. Customize the new tab page content to show only what's relevant to you. You can even choose a focused layout for ultimate minimalism. And there you have it, a clean, streamlined Microsoft Edge, ready to tackle the web without the visual distractions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.